So, roughly you require a 10 feet by 15 feet operation theatre with a dialysis chair or a dental chair which has got incline recline, height adjustment, hand rests for the patient. Chair should go completely flat like a bed. So, if the patient has to lie down on the face for harvesting, it should be possible. It is not possible in a lot of dental chairs to make them completely flat. If you start getting the head low, the foot end starts coming up. So, knee angle support if you have is an advantage. You need implanting chair with back support for the surgeon, LED cold lights. If you have a bright halogen light, it will heat up the latex gloves, plus will heat up the scalp of the patient. You get hyperemia and bleeding. You get more ooze if you got hot lights. So, graft cutting platform should be 10 feet by 15 feet long, not less than 3.5 feet wide and 34 to 36 inches in height from the ground. Cushion stools with black back support and height adjustment for the graft cutters, leg rest bar under the cutting platform. If their legs are hanging for a long time, they get tired. A kitchen type storage above the platform with 5 to 7 CFL lights or individual lights fixed below this storage. A surgeon scrub area, changing area, toilet, patient's head wash chair, a dirty area, washing machine, dryer, and if possible a self programmed autoclave which is easy to manage. So, this is the layout of the area. OT equipment, you will require a bipolar coagulator, suction machine, double silicon sheet micro instrument trays, defibrillator, Boyle's machine, emergency trolley, crash cart, laryngoscope, endotracheal tube, OT fumigation machine, surgical instruments, drums and SS trays. Surgical instruments, you require blades number 15, 23, 10 or 11 if your staff prefers to use 10 or 11 as well. 8-inch needle holder, tooth forceps, artery forceps, FUE motor with microprocessor, adjustable torque, light in weight which does not fatigue your hand easily, sharp and blunt FUE punches 0.91 mm, 1.2 mm, you can keep 1.2 to start with, later on try your best to go below 1 mm. FUE graft picking forceps which are specially designed to pull the grafts out, micro tip angled implanting forceps, 0.8 or 1.2 mm chisel blades and a blade holder, hypodermic needles 1.5 inch, 19, 20, 25. Magnification, Mantis microscope is the best, has got a digital screen and camera, visors or reading glasses, loops with LED headlights, digital camera for photography, computerized follow-scope for measuring the density and the caliber of the hair, manual densitometer if you want to count the density, that is the manual densitometer where you can count the density.